I'm called Alupo Ketty from Obongo Isel, Kadungulu Central, Kadungulu Sub-County, Serere District. I've come here in Gudie Leisure Farm for study purposes. As per now for today, I've learned on how to construct a house for the chicks. And we start by constructing a house for the broilers. We have put down a litter. After that, we sprayed. After spraying, we went ahead to set our stoves with fire. After setting, we collected our feeders to put inside that house where chicks are. After putting the feeders, they gave us those chicks. We received them, but after that, we went ahead to construct a house for layers. Ever since I came, I learned business compliance, and I even learned on how to operate my business, on how to manage a business, and even they taught us on how to open up our savings group. And when you're opening a saving group, you have to indicate a name of that group. After you indicating a name, you have to choose your leaders. You start by choosing a chairperson. After choosing a chairperson, either you put there as assistant chairperson, if possible. After that, you go and choose secretary. After secretary, you go and choose the treasurer. After treasurer, money counters, and even you include there key holders. And you put some members. And when you're in the group, you have to be known all the names of your members. For the case of any issues, you have to be able to identify each of the member. You should make sure that you're opening your account from the bank, you as the group members. Or when I go back home, I can be able to teach my colleagues on how to operate a business, and even on how to keep birds, on how to treat them, on how to identify that the birds are healthy.